last few years have been all about skincare. Celebrities and influencers have started spending and investing more in skincare rather than makeup. And it's for sure a welcome change. The popularity of Korean skincare has also soared, and glass skin has become the most desired trend. Seriously, who doesn't want their skin to be smooth, even-toned, radiant, and so flawless that it gives the appearance of glass? We sure do. And the ones encouraging us to religiously follow a skincare routine are several actresses who already have achieved a glass skin. Alia Bhatt's skin is one of our favorites. Her skin is so flawless that she's not even conscious about posting pictures from a close angle on Instagram. Alia is known to follow her skincare regime and make sure that she drinks a lot of water to stay hydrated. And of course, she eats healthy and takes her multivitamins, which are great to achieve glowing skin from the inside. And OMG, just look at these pictures of Gen Z diva Shanaya Kapoor. It looks like she's exuding an aura. She took the beauty world by storm with these pictures where she showcased her glazed and glossed skin, and we absolutely adored it. She once told Grazia that she uses products that are nature-based and have no harmful chemicals. She starts with a non-drying face wash and follows it up with a moisturizer. The 23-year-old also uses face tools for that added TLC. Then there are Ananya Panday and Kiara Advani who glow like the moon, all thanks to their simple skincare routine. Kriti Sanon is the biggest skincare junkie, and she keeps posting updates and hacks that she herself employs to keep her skin radiant. The biggest tip she gives is using a sunscreen lotion on the face all the time. Don't we just wish to have a skin like these actresses? You do, right? We have some tips for you in case you really do. A right mix of skincare and makeup can do the trick. The glass skin routine includes double cleansing as the first step to ensure your skin is all squeaky clean. Then comes exfoliation, which helps to remove excess dead skin cells and remove blackheads on the skin. Then use a toner to reset the pH of the skin and allow the next steps in your routine to absorb better into the skin. Another staple in any glass skin routine is incorporating either a serum or hydrating facial oil that's lightweight but loaded with antioxidants. Then comes the moisturizer that will give you an instant burst of hydration, leaving your skin looking smooth and supple. Lastly, layer it up with a good amount of sunscreen, and there you have your glass skin. If you need a quick fix for your skin woes with a makeup routine, apply a hydrating toner after washing your face. Follow it up with a face serum chosen according to your needs. Then comes moisturizer to prep your skin. Next, apply a dewy foundation, subtle bronzer, and a highlighter to achieve that perfect glow. Easy, isn't it? In any case, keep yourself hydrated, follow a proper AM/PM skincare regime, and use a sunscreen always. Also, remember, skincare products take time to show results, but once they do, it's all magic. What is your skincare routine to achieve glass skin? Let us know in the comments, and do subscribe to Shosha for more skincare tips.